Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable closed captions burn-in Premiere Pro, full guide step by step clearly. To disable closed captions burn-in Premiere Pro, start by opening your project. Locate the sequence that contains the closed captions you want to modify. Select the sequence panel to ensure it is active. Navigate to the text panel by clicking on Window in the top menu and selecting Text. In the text panel, you should see the Captions tab. Click on the Captions tab to view your closed captions. Find the specific caption track that is currently burned in. To disable the burn-in, go to the timeline and select the closed captions layer. Right-click on the closed captions layer and choose Rasterize from the context menu. This separates the captions from the video layer. Next, delete the rasterized captions to remove the burn-in effect. Now, to add new captions without burn-in, go back to the text panel. Click on the plus icon or the New Caption Track option. Choose the correct settings for your captions, ensuring they match your project preferences. After creating the new caption track, input your captions manually or import them as needed. Ensure your new captions are positioned correctly in the timeline. Finally, review your video to confirm that the closed captions are now displayed separately and are not burned into the video. Now you are ready to export your project without the closed captions burn-in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.